How's it going? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the shop. So I got a new idea for videos for YouTube. Cause I post every day on Instagram basically, but I can't put my Instagram videos on YouTube because I listen to music. So I figured I'd start something new where I kind of recorded them side by side. I got my phone right next to my camera and I just had to turn the music off and do what I do for Instagram. So it's kind of gonna be like a knife vlog. Probably not daily, but maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And I'll still do my regular projects like that. These are all water jet cut. These are 10 each, which means that's 10 knives right there. And I got another pack, so I got 20 knives cut from New Jersey Steel Baron and the titanium from American Metal Exchange. So yeah, a lot of my time's here, so I don't really have a lot of time to edit and shoot videos, but I still want to do projects, but since I'm doing the Instagram thing anyway, I might as well do that. So what I'm thinking is, these will be like rough cut. They won't be as polished as my regular videos. Yeah, I'll show you what I've been doing. So let me catch you up. I've been cutting them out. I don't have the lock bars cut, but I got blades for them and all that. This one I messed up and made left hand, but I'm left-handed, so I'll just keep it. But yeah, so it's time to get on the blades and shape them down and get everything fit. I've also got 2 Dexter knives, so that should be fun. I don't really like making them, but the price was right and the guy wanted 2 of them, and as you can see, I needed the money for these, so it all worked out. So let me know in the comments if you think this is a good idea doing a knife vlog, or if you just rather go watch it on Instagram. So check it out. Yeah, see, this is a little bit better. I don't have to set up like 3 or 4 cameras and don't worry about it. And, you know, just like little 1-minute segments, just like it was on Instagram. But anyway, so, man, one thing that was driving me crazy about making these frame locks is putting it together, taking a little bit off, you know, taking it apart and checking it. You can see on this one, here's where the stop pin would go. And, yeah, you can see I got a lot to take out. It's got to come out all the way back to here. So, yeah, I need to take just a little bit out. But instead of taking it apart, put it back together. Because just a little bit of movement, man, actually makes it go a lot. Let's just take a little bit off of this. See where it would go. And then see, I can see where the hole's going to go. So it's going to kind of follow in there. See, I'd have to keep putting it back together like that if I wanted to. See, just that little bit, we've cut that in half, so let's keep going. So I might want to go just a little bit more to get that straight. I think I'm going to do the rest of this on the mill. But look how far, just that little bit, how far down we've come. I can actually see the hole. So, boom, just a little bit more. See, just short bits. Just short bits. Alright, so I got that figured out. Boom. It's actually, yeah, I got to make this blade a little bit smaller. The hard part was figuring this out since this lock bar isn't cut. Where that's going to be. I just left it a little big and then we'll figure all that out. That'll probably be the next part. Let me make this blade just a little bit smaller on that line. Alright, here we go. Boom! There we go. Haha. Yeah, man. So I had to make a new one. See, this is what I do on Instagram all day. Just post about my little mess ups and my little victories. But you see how this is sticking up just a little bit? Well, now I have to take just a teeny bit out to bring it down, because watch this. This is the second knife blade I made, but I figured this one I can use on a different set as long as I put this up a little bit. Just watch this. See, this is what drives me crazy, taking it apart and putting it together 100 times. But you see, it hits here before it hits back here. These are the little things, but like I say, so if I move on another one, if I drill this part up a little bit, it'll be fine. So I can use this for another one. Alright, so here's something I wish I would have figured out a while ago when I made my first Dexter knife. What I did is I took a 3/16 drill bit and I drilled these holes with this on it. I expanded this to 1/4 inch. Then I counterbored the centers so I could put pivots in there. These are 3/16 pivots, so they stick out just a little bit with the 1/8 inch. I took a piece of metal, 3/16 metal, and put it in between there. And yeah, now we just gotta get our pattern. I did everything else on there. You can see this is all smooth, but I gotta get in here because it's different than this. All right, let's do it. Boom. So these are ready for heat treat. Now I just gotta get the other blades done. Alright, so that's it. That's my first knife vlog. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you want more of these? Or do you like the more edited, more prepared stuff? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. I'll still put my website link and all that so you get knives and shirts and all that good stuff. I'm just trying to keep these shorter and less involved. But yeah, let me know. Alright, hope all is well. And as always, take it easy.